With this video, we will be starting chapter 9, issue of debentures. In the video, we will be discussing about the meaning of debentures and its characteristics and the journal entries for the issue of debentures. Now, what do we mean by debentures? Debentures are a source of long-term loan. So, we can define that debentures is a written instrument acknowledging a debt under the common seal of the company. That means the company has taken the loan and it is acknowledging the loan by issuing debentures to the debenture holders. Okay. It contains a contract for repayment of principal amount after a specified period along with the rate of interest at a fixed rate, which is payable either half yearly or yearly on a fixed date. Okay. So in the contract of debenture, the terms of repayment will be mentioned, and along with repayment the interest payable on the debentures will be mentioned, the rate of interest on debentures and whether it is payable half yearly or yearly, that will be mentioned. Okay. Now, types of debentures. Before that, debentures are long-term loans. They generally carry a charge over the assets. That means assets are kept as security to the debenture holders. Company has to repay the debenture holder before any amount is payable to the equity shareholders and all. Debentures are redeemable. That means after a certain period of time it is refunded. Okay, it is considered as long-term loan, whereas equity shares are part of shareholders fund. Types of debentures on the basis of security point of view, that means when assets of the companies are kept as security when debentures are issued. Okay, debenture holders have charge over the assets of the company, and if they don't have, then it is considered as unsecured. Okay, so there are two categories under security point of view: secured debentures and unsecured debentures. Secured debentures carry a charge over the assets, whereas unsecured debentures do not carry anything. They are also known as naked debentures. Okay. Redemption point of view, redemption means repayment. So the debentures if it is redeemable after a certain period of time, then it will be known as redeemable debentures. Okay. And if it is not, it is irredeemable debentures. Registration point of view, registered debentures, that means the record about the debenture holder is maintained by the company in the register. Okay, about the address, the debenture holder, number of debenture held by him. Bearer debentures are those category of debentures where no detail is maintained by the company. The person who holds the certificate will be entitled to the interest. Convertibility, whether the debentures can be converted into another form of securities, that is equity shares. Okay, so convertible debentures, it can again be classified into two categories: fully convertible and partly convertible debentures. Then coupon rate, if the debentures carry a fixed rate of interest, then they are known as specific coupon rates, and if there is no specific rate mentioned on the debentures and if they are issued at a discount, they are known as zero coupon debentures or bonds. Priority, if different debentures are issued at different time, then the first debentures which will be redeemed will be known as first debentures, then second debentures, okay, will be redeemed after that. Issue of debentures, the journal entries, the procedure for issue of debentures is same as the issue of shares. That means application is received, then allotment is received, then the call money is demanded and received. Okay. The investors will apply for the debentures depending on the issue of the prospectus. Okay. The company may ask them to pay the amount in one installment or many installments. Different calls are there. Debentures can be issued at par, premium or discount. Shares cannot be issued at discount. Only at the time of reissue of debenture it was issued at discount. Otherwise, debentures can be issued at par, premium, and discount. And they can be issued for consideration other than cash, like equity shares were issued, no, when assets were acquired, equity shares were issued. Similarly, debentures can also be issued, and they can be issued as collateral security for another loans taken, okay, from financial institutions. Journal entries, okay, when the debentures are issued for cash. First one, when the application money is received, bank account debit to debenture application. Earlier we were writing share application, here we will be writing debenture application. For adjustment of application money, debenture application account debit to percentage debenture or just debentures, okay. Then the allotment money is made due, debenture allotment account debit to percentage debentures, and when the debenture amount is received, bank account debit to debenture allotment account. Only the difference is that instead of shares we are writing debentures here. On making the first call, debenture first call account debit to debentures, and when the first call amount is received, bank account debit to debenture first call account. Okay, let's take one illustration to understand this. Illustration 1. A Limited has issued 20,000 12% debentures of 100 each. On application it is 30 rupees and the balance 70 rupees is on allotment. Application was received for 18,000 debentures only. So first entry will be bank account debit to debenture application 18,000 into 30, that is 5,40,000. Okay, application money is received, that will be transferred to the capital account. 12% debenture application account debit to 12% debentures. Now the allotment money will be made due. 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debentures, 12,60,000 at the rate of rupees 70 on 18,000 shares. Okay, on 18,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 70. That 12,60,000 is received, so bank account debit to 12% debenture allotment 12,60,000 rupees. Okay.